Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So listen you guys, I think we need someone from Mzumbe Kamadlala. Ne? If anybody is from that area, we need you. We need you to come and tell us what's what's happening in Mzumbe Kamadlala. Ne? What is happening there? Yini lena that parents are telling amantombazane laphayana, kwenzakalani? Why are young girls interested in old men? Why bethatha obaba abadala iy'ngane ezincane? Unenzani lapho Kamadlala? What are you guys doing there Kamadlala? Ngisho ngoba phela uMakhumalo and she was a young child ne when she first met Umseligo. Now here is Umakhwela giving us a dream story of how she met Umseligo, a plaza, the story that we are supposed to believe ne. Kwenzakalani Kamadlala guys? Should we be worried as a country? Who is the counselor laphayana? Ubani induna yakhona? Inkosi yakhona, they must tell us ukuthi what's happening. Why are the girls taking ama husbands abantu abadala bebancane? Ngiyayisaba manje leya ndawo leya, ngiyayisaba. If your husband Kamadlala nqaba naye, because izingane laphayana azithembekile leza y'ngane, amantombazana asesitolo, girl from esitolo mayethi uye esontweni because kunengane yesigubhu, kuney'ngane zesigubhu. Hayi guys, Kamadlala kuna something eyenzekayo laphayana. Someone, a neighbor or someone needs to come into the comment section and tell us what's going to, why sesiyabona manje ukuthi no, it's a problem. We thought ukuthi Makhumalo's case was an exception, but we can see now ukuthi okay, hayi Kamadlala vele nje yabo. So yes guys, I'm interested to find out what is the cause kahle kahle.